Right, this time I'm making a video, well it's more of a slideshow really, of an old lawn tractor that I restored. It was a Westwood Gazelle. I did a nut and bolt, I stripped everything down, rebuilt the engine. It was a present for the father-in-law. So I never really documented this in a video. I did do a couple of powder coating videos where I was powder coating the parts, but I never really made much reference to the actual lawn tractor itself. I'll put this on YouTube and it's there for reference if anyone ever needed it. Right, so what you're seeing here is the main body. It got sanded down and then powder coated. The chassis was too big to fit in my oven, so I sanded it all down with a flap disc and then painted that with gloss black. The rear axle got stripped down, refurbished, the wheels come off, got powder coated, and the diff got sprayed because I didn't want to take any of the internals out. The bonnet, if you like, got the same treatment, sanded down, repowder coated. The instrument panel got the same treatment. Then I started putting back the chassis and bolting things back together. After sandblasting all the levers, headlight surrounds and all the bracketry that was to go on the lawn tractor, we powder coated them in red just so it'd stand out nicely against the black. Then we started to put things back together. As you can see, it's starting to take a little bit of shape and resemble a lawn tractor. I used brand new nut and bolts for everything that I could do. There was some that was really specific that I had to reuse. With the engine, I sanded it all down to get off all the old surface rust. Same with the top cowling, got rid of that. We refurbed the carburetor. I didn't document rebuilding the engine, but put all new gaskets and piston rings on it. Powder coated the top shroud and sprayed the engine and carburetor before fitting it back into the lawn tractor. As you can see, it looks quite well. Put in LED lights that were rigged to a switch on the dash. The next job was restoring the cutting deck. This had the hardest part of its lifetime, I think, because every nut and bolt was seized. Bearings were seized, so I had to source new bearings. The blades and the shaft were just so hard to get out because they were rotted in. Once we finally got it disassembled, we sandblasted everything, all the pulleys, we repowder coated, absolutely everything. The blades got resharpened and balanced and powder coated black. That's pretty much it, all complete, put back together. It cuts grass really well, starts first time, nice little build. Please like and subscribe, thanks for watching.